Imagine having extra airtime or data on your MTN line, and instead of letting it to waste or expire, you can share it with your friend, your family, or even your second number in second. But here is the problem: most people don't know how to do it, or they have tried before and it did not work properly. In this video, I will show you the safest and convenient way on how to transfer airtime and data on MTN. No stress, no confusion, and you can get it instantly. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'll also show you the things for you to avoid so that it will not delay your transfer. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online, and also tips on how to get data at a very cheap price from all network. If this is the type of video that I like, do want to like this video and so drop your comment on the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification so that in time I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. So let's dive right into the video.
Dial star 3 2 1 hash. So you're going to bring it to this interface. Welcome to airtime and data transfer. So with this code, you can be able to transfer your airtime and data. So if you want to transfer airtime, you dial number 1. Then if you want to give a data to somebody, you dial number 2. Then for SMS data share, dial number 3. So if you want to transfer airtime, for example, you just dial number 1. It's going to bring you to this interface. The first option here, transfer airtime. The second option, request airtime from a friend. The third one, change PIN if you want to change your PIN. The fourth one, forget PIN. If you forget your PIN, you can change it here. Then if you want to do this for the first time, the first thing you need to do is you dial number 5 to create a PIN before you can be able to do this process. So if you want to transfer, you dial number 1. Then you enter the receiver number, the number that you want to send the airtime to. So make sure that you cross check the number and make sure that the number is correct so that you not send data or airtime to somebody else. So you click on send, then enter the amount that you want to transfer or the amount of data that you want to send to that person. Then click on send, then enter your PIN, then click on send. Yellow, you have successfully gifted this number.
So this is how you can transfer airtime or data on your MTN line and you get it immediately. If you got value from this video, do it to like this video and so drop your comment at the comment section. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, do it to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification so that in time I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. If you want to get access to other videos, and to get that the very cheap price from any network, either MTN, Airtel, Glo, and 9 Mobile, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.